Hey guys, I am testing out the automower today. This is the Husqvarna 430XH automower. And I put it in last night. Had to do all of the ground wire all the way around the perimeter. Super quiet. The XH is the model that has the adjustable height control, and this is the lowest height setting, which I believe is like 2 inches. Seems to work pretty good. Let me give you a little rundown here. I had to put all of the ground wires in all the way up and around the trees. Fairly easy, took a little while. And then I had to take the ground wires and run them alongside the crack in the driveway on both sides. And then I had to run the middle one that takes it back in the center right here. Now the downfall to that one is, because I didn't want to put any new grooves in my driveway, is there's a pretty big section of driveway that it thinks is lawn. So I might have to figure something out with that. But it looks like it's mowing pretty well. You can kind of let it do its thing. I had to also cut out a section of my fence and raise it up, which we'll probably figure out a door for that situation here soon. But it goes right through it. Let me show you here. I actually don't mind the messy backyard, but I had to pretty much make a small path for it to get to the backyard. Let's see here, and if you follow it this way, it goes to the backyard, and I'm sure that'll be mowing here soon, today sometime. But then it comes over here, and I have it plugged into my house right over here. So for the first day, it seems like it's working pretty well. Fairly labor intensive to put it together, but I think that it's been worth it. We'll see if it's worth it in the long run. I'll probably post a new video when I get the door put in. See if we can get something automatic, possibly. But yeah, so that is the Husqvarna automower 430XH. And this one, it has the GPS and everything on it. Super quiet. Mows with a random pattern, which is cool. Not supposed to leave a bunch of marks in your yard, so we'll see how well it works. I'll keep you guys updated.